watching him. You would, file.
I'm going to be creepy.
Wait, nobody. What the hell? No!
Retry.
Hold on.
Retry. Yeah. That was funny.
You suck at this. You stabbed me in the roof of the mouth.
It's a big fry.
That's what she said. I'm gonna punch you.
Dude, shut up.
Shut up, Rax.
So
I'll kill
hard.
you. No, I'm gonna punch you, Rico. What? You said that funny.
Have a fry.
No.
Here, twin. Have a fry. Have a fry. There you go. I put it in nicely that time.
And stab me.
My hot fudge isn't hot and it makes me disappointed inside.
Everything's
Everything
wrong.
is a good restaurant.
Everything has gone to hell. Screw you, camera. Hello, camera. Hello, YouTube.
You make out. I'm like, fuck no.
Oh my god, in our own time. Are you even filming this?
No.
Lies! Lies!
I'm just holding the camera.
Lies.
Ew, it's brown. Wait, there. Come on.
They're fries are brown.
Shut up. Shut up.
No.
I'm thirsty. Let me drink.
Not the alcohol.
Let me drink. Jesus Christ. Sorry.
Your relationship is so abusive.
But he went to like rehab, and now he's all like
Depressed. Where's the
That's what that thing's for.
Yes, I have scars. I do have a scar on my wrist, but we're not going to get into that.
Emo.
Do bears hibernate?
I don't know. Do they? I don't know.
I think they migrate.
I think they migrate.
I think they migrate too.
They migrate. I'm about to spit out my water. I can't drink this.
I'm Tommy Toilet.